This song's called Rain. Those are my songs, it's weird. I thought I caught you there. Jesus. Almost like twins, aren't they? Double of each other, same age. Between lightning and thunder, 3 seconds together. A warm candle glow keeps this woodroom from black. And my cat, she sleeps on an old clippy mat. She is purring out echoes of faint pitter pat. West Eagle recorded that in Adrian, you know, near Court Bridge. As the rain pours down in the yard, rain is good, the most haunting sound. Rain makes beautiful music, and rain brings peace upon all whom it falls. Get a bass drum with a piece, peace. I'll keep it. The old subconscious and I are back on speaking terms. She is sending her colors and her beautiful words. And oh, keep the noise down, Mr. Brahma. I'm trying to do a concert here. I'm surrounded by country, surrounded by night, as the rain pours down. Makes beautiful music, and rain brings peace upon all whom it falls. Anybody who doesn't know this song, there's another 25 verses to go. I'll give you a shout when I'm finished. You'll be known as the bearded ladies of Bearsden. Through a crack in the window meanders a breeze. Is the mimic of the cricket through the rustling of the leaves, and the ghost midnight scared me. Thou welcome within to share my rye whiskey and watch with me as the rain pours down in the yard. Rain, a most haunting sound. Rain makes beautiful music, and rain brings peace upon all whom it falls. I'm going for the little angel, Nikki. There's a little angel there somewhere. There she is.